Welcome to Characteristics of the Arabic Language, Part 1.
Arabic language, as any other language, has its own characteristics. For example, Arabic does not have an equivalent of verb to be in the present tense. This means no am, is, or are in Arabic. To say I am Mona, we say Ana Mona, which is translated to I Mona, no am. More examples. Ana Maya. Ana Maya.
أنا أحمد.
In this lesson, we learned that Arabic has no equivalent for verb to be in its present tense. So feel free to form your sentences without worrying about am, is, or are.
Welcome to Characteristics of the Arabic Language, Part 2.
Definite and indefinite articles in Arabic. There are no a, an, or even some in Arabic. For example, I am a girl is أنا بنت, translated to I, girl. However, we have an equivalent to the definite article the, and it is al, al, inserted at the beginning of the word like al-bint for the girl. A book is kitab. The book is al-kitab. A girl is bint. The girl is al-bint. A hand is yad. The hand is al-yad. In this lesson, we saw that Arabic has no equivalent of the indefinite articles a and an, and even for some, but has an equivalent for the, which is al, inserted at the beginning of the word.
Welcome to Characteristics of the Arabic Language, Part 3.
In this lesson, we will focus on how we can say it is a pen or it is a table in Arabic. What is it in Arabic? There is no it in Arabic. We use the third personal pronouns he, huwa, or she, hiya, instead, depending on the gender of the object we are talking about. So do not be surprised if you hear someone talking about a pen and saying he is red, as the word pen is a masculine word in Arabic. A book is kitab. It is a masculine word. So to say it is a book, we say huwa kitab. He is a book. A table is tawila, and tawila is a feminine word in Arabic. So to say it is a table, we say hiya tawila, as if we are saying she is a table. A pen is qalam in Arabic, and qalam is a masculine word. So it is a pen is huwa qalam. In this lesson, we learned that Arabic has no equivalent for the pronoun it. Instead, we use huwa for masculine words and hiya for feminine words.
Welcome to Characteristics of the Arabic Language, Part 4.
Arabic nouns can either be singular, dual, or plural. Singular is the form that relates to one of something or someone. Dual is the form that relates to two of something or someone, and plural in Arabic starts from 3 and above. Listen to these examples. Qalam is a pen. Qalamain is 2 pens. Aqlam is 3 pens. In this lesson, we learned that Arabic nouns can be singular, dual, or plural. Repeat after me. Bint is a girl. Bint. 2 girls is bintain. Bintain. And 3 girls and above is banat. So bint, bintain, banat.
Welcome to Characteristics of the Arabic Language, Part 5.
All Arabic nouns carry grammatical gender, whether they refer to animate or inanimate objects. For inanimate objects, the relationship between grammatical gender and objects is arbitrary. Example, chair is a masculine noun, while table is a feminine noun in Arabic. When learners of Arabic learn new words, it's important to know the gender associated with this word. Listen to these examples. A pen in Arabic is qalam. It is a masculine word. A table in Arabic is tawila. It is a feminine word. And a chair in Arabic is kursi. Kursi is a masculine word. In this lesson, we learned about nouns gender in Arabic. Therefore, we will always keep in mind that the same expression may differ when addressing a man or a woman.